Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide tokens from your account on Metamask wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Metamask application on your device. And once you open up the app, you will be asked to log in using your password. Just type in your account password and then tap on the unlock button. And you will now be logged in and taken into your wallet homepage. Now within your homepage, you will see the various different tokens that you have added within your account, and they will be visible within your homepage. You can tap on the import option to import more tokens. And if you wish to hide any token, then simply long press on this token and you will now see the hide button. Go ahead and tap on hide, and now this token will be hidden from your homepage right away. You can do this with any number of tokens that is within your homepage, except for Ethereum, as it is selected as your main net. Now, if you wish to add these tokens once again, after you have hidden them, you will need to import them once again from the import option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to hide tokens from your account on Metamask wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.